Sweet and powerful, 8 unknown uses for honey. In addition to the customary uses that we know of for honey, it also contains countless properties that make it an incredibly versatile natural remedy. Take note of them and capitalize on your jar of honey. This product, apart from being an antiseptic and an excellent natural energizer, also has many other properties. The following are included among them: sweetener, invigorating, calming, laxative, diuretic. 1. Perfect for preserves. Honey is the perfect product to preserve fruits. So, instead of making jam, you can preserve your fruits in a syrup made from this sweet honey. How do you do it? If you want to do this with sweet fruits, you will have used 1 part honey and 1 part water. For acidic fruits, use 2 parts honey and 1 liter of water. Mix both ingredients together and cover the fruits with the mixture. Save in an airtight container, and there you have it. 2 common relaxing properties. Honey can be the perfect ingredient that gives you the relaxation you deserve after a long day. How do you do it? To take advantage of this benefit, fill your bathtub with warm water and pour in a few tablespoons of honey. As we said, thanks to its relaxing properties, it will help you relieve your stress, and if that weren't enough, the water will also have a nice aroma. 3. Honey for shiny hair. If you want healthy hair that is shiny, silky, and strong, then honey will become indispensable to you. How do you do it? Put a tablespoon of honey into a liter of warm water and mix well until diluted. After shampooing your hair, pour a little of this mixture into your hair. Do not rinse out. You can also use a little bit of undiluted honey on your split ends and you will notice how hydrated your hair will look. 4. Natural exfoliant. If we combine it with other ingredients, honey can be the perfect exfoliant for your skin. How do you do it? You can make a paste with honey, crushed almonds, and lemon juice. Apply this mixture to your face in circular motions. Then, rinse your face with cool water and dry without rubbing. 5. Cleansing lotion. Far beyond being a great exfoliant, it is also great for removing impurities from your skin. Honey is a natural antibacterial, and much gentler than soap. So, it will not strip your skin of its natural oils, but it will soften it and remove blackheads and pimples. How do you do it? To do this, simply moisten your skin with warm water. Place less than a teaspoon of honey in your hands and rub together. Massage your face in circular motions until you've covered your entire face with honey. For a deep cleanse, leave it on for 5–10 minutes. After, rinse your face with warm water, and dry. 6. Honey Body Lotion. You can make a great body lotion with honey since it also serves as a natural moisturizer. Before you begin making this lotion, you must first gather some of the aromatic herbs that you have in your home. Lavender would be great. How do you do it? Heat a little bit of honey in a pot until it is a liquid consistency. When it is ready, pour it over the herbs. Place the mixture in an airtight container and let it rest for a week. At the end of this period, add 1 tablespoon of water and mix well. This will make the lotion have a better consistency and it will be easier to spread over your skin. 7. Perfect for fighting parasites. Thanks to the therapeutic properties of honey and the acidity of vinegar, you can make an excellent homemade remedy to fight parasites. How do you do it? Mix equal parts honey, apple cider vinegar, and water. Drink this mixture several times a day for 2 months to cleanse yourself completely. You will notice the difference. 8. Combat anxiety with honey. Honey can help you calm your anxiety. To do this, you can either read it alone or mix it with a relaxing tea, such as chamomile or lavender. If your nervousness affects your stomach, mix the juice of 1 lemon with a little bit of honey and ginger, and drink it.